Hey everyone, we are doing an unboxing of this vacuum I just got off Amazon. It is the Eureka HyperClean Cordless Vacuum. We are going to be using this one for our camper, but you could use it for home use as well. Let's open it up and check it out. All right, so it came in a pretty big box, but this box is actually really lightweight. I thought it would be a lot heavier because it is a vacuum cleaner. We're just going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, so a much bigger box than Amazon needed, but that's okay. Take a little bit of the packing material out. And this is the actual vacuum itself. So you can take a look here. See, it's the HyperClean. It's a wand style. And it actually kind of doubles. The reason I like this one is it doubles as a dust buster. So we're opening this up. We'll just take a look here. So we've got some instructions on top, some thank you for purchasing. Open this. This is our cord. Looks like our battery. All right. And then just some pieces. So this is a little brush attachment. Looks like a wand attachment. Let's lay these out for you. This is the main wand. Go ahead and take that out. Open this up. And this is basically the vacuum itself. Lots of packaging. So this is kind of your dust buster, what you're going to be holding. And the battery will clip into that. Looks like we've got a little docking station. So this does look like it can be wall mounted. So basically it looks like your attachments can clip in here, vacuum goes on, and you can put this up on the wall. Bottom here, this is our base. Power head. This is the only thing that really weighs anything in here. So it's got the HyperClean right on there. Some wheels to roll around on the floor. Got your brushes. It'll never look this clean again. And then everything just kind of attaches here with your power for the wand going to there. That looks like everything that's in the box. Okay, so can clip these together. Looks like that just clips in. Battery might need to be charged before we can use it. And voila, you've got everything on there. Does look like it's nice and easy. Looks like it clips apart really easily, which is great. Gonna throw your attachments on there. This looks like a really handy attachment actually. So this one can slide out, brushed finishes. But if you don't want to use the brush, you don't necessarily need to switch back over to this. You have kind of a dust bust and more of a solid attachment for cleaning things off, which is awesome. This isn't that heavy, which is really nice. Looks like to empty the bin, just push this button and everything comes from inside here. There's a filter that looks like you can wash out and rinse out, or just completely dump that canister right out. So very, very easy how everything kind of goes apart and comes together. I can't wait to try it. All right, thanks a lot for watching that. We'll give you another little quick video of us using it in a second. Okay everyone, now we're gonna test out this HyperClean Eureka cordless vacuum. So again, these are the components, and to turn it on and off, super easy. You just pull the trigger and you can turn that on or off. Now, let's go ahead and grab the wand attachment. We've got some dirt on the floor here. No, my house is not this dirty regularly, but for these purposes, we made it a little dirtier. So we're gonna put it in regular mode. It's got a nice little light. It'll light things up for us. And it's doing a pretty good job. It's nice and easy to push. Now, there is a HyperClean button that I'd like to show you for a minute. So it says max right there. When we press that, the max button comes on. Gives us a little bit more suction power. Now this is a cordless vacuum dust buster. It's got pretty good suction. It's not to replace a giant vacuum if you've got a lot of carpet. It does jobs like this really well. Now, if we want to transition to hard floor, there's a button on here, and I'll show you where that is. Right next to the max button, it says carpet and floor. So if we press that, it kills the power head, and we can switch over to regular hard floor. We shut it off just by pulling the trigger. I can get rid of the long attachment if I want, and I can grab one of the shorter attachments like this, and then it just clicks right on. Nice and easy. Now all of a sudden we've got the dust buster attachment. We can suck up all that little stuff if we want. Anything we've missed with the power head, nice and easy. Definitely works good as advertised. Thanks a lot for watching this unboxing. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'm going to put the product link in the description below. So if you'd like to buy one of these, it'll take you right to my Amazon store. Thanks and have a great day.